everybody, it's Larry, and here we go with 2-minute tips. So, we've talked about lots of things and how you should be working from your tree, and I'm going to give you a new little tool that you can use, and that's family group sheets. All right, so let's start with Clarence Edmund Brown. So, if I click on him and I put him, view his family tree right here, that moves him over to the left. All right, but right here on the drop down, the last one says family group sheet. This is probably something you've not been using. So we're going to click on family group sheet, and here it is for Clarence Edmund Brown and for his wife, Dolly McFarland. It shows his parents, William and Caroline, her parents, James and Sarah, and it shows all of the children, even has their marriage date in here. It's a really nice, really clean family group sheet, and I can just click on print, and I can click it. Now I have everything set to go to PDF Writer, so everything I do is set to go to PDF by default unless I change it to the printer. So I can actually print this to a PDF, save it, and put it in the folders. All right, so I have these digital folders. Instead of having, I started off with bound books when I had family number 1 and then number 2 and then back to number 1. And literally 2 shelves of census reports and documents. And then it turned out biological family number 3. So I've now gone to doing this in digital format. Recommend that you do too, because who knows, when you may have to separate it. So set you up a folder and then start keeping your family group sheets in there. Name it for the person that you've got the group sheet for Clarence. If you do one later for Dolly, you can do that. And this is a nice little clean format. It has all the information about the children and the other stuff in there. So I really recommend use family group sheets. Now remember, how you get to it, from your tree, you just move whoever you want to do the group sheet for. Let's say if I want to do it for William, okay, I move him over to the left, and I click the drop down and do family group sheet. All right, it brings that up. I bet you thought I wouldn't get that in 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the tip.